If you're a helping professional who cares deeply about supporting change in individuals and in the world, and you're an ambitious soul here to really make a difference in your sphere of influence as well as the greater world, then join us and learn some of the simplest, most powerful, and effective ways to use somatic mindful guided imagery in your personal and professional work.
These tools are so profound. I mean, they just go straight to the point. They get right to the heart of what is really happening.
You can learn how to use somatic mindful guided imagery to take your work with your clients and your personal inner work beyond current limits.
If you're a therapist, this this is such an incredibly unique technique. Wow, this is like a very direct route. I'm very excited myself to be able to understand the tools she's used on me that I've felt working in a way that I can use them as a psychotherapist. But I would be very surprised if there was anyone on which these tools would not work, because they're just so individual. They're so about the person. They just address that person very directly. It's not like a theory that may or may not really fit someone. This is personalized. So,
if you'd love simpler ways to get better results more quickly, join us in the upcoming immersive training in the art of somatic mindful guided imagery.